Hey guys, it's Megan with Bell Ball, and we are doing a popcorn setup for y'all to show y'all how to do it with our beautiful Bell Ball balloons. We are using Bell Ball 12-inch and 5-inch white, and also 12 and 5-inch yellow. I just kind of wanted to hop on to show you just how we did our base in our arch system first. Obviously, I'm sure you each have your own, but this is what we're using today. Just so you can kind of see, let me turn this around. So this is our arch system that we are using today, and we are putting these fun little popcorn boxes on the outside of them before we fill them in. We are just using a quad of 2 whites and 2 yellows, and we are gonna just crisscross them on our arch. I tend to go a little bit lower down just so you can't see it in the popcorn box. So just like this, and you will, how many are you ready for? Ready. Hey guys, so we are using 2 white 12-inch balloons sized down and 2 yellow balloons sized down. And as you can see, I started about halfway down in the popcorn. You don't have to go all the way to the bottom since no one's gonna see it, but that kind of gives you an idea. And you will just take these balloons, there'll be 2 white and 2 yellow, and then you're just going to cross on top of each other. And we're gonna continue our swirl pattern. We'll do the same thing again. So kind of just using that classic swirl. And then we'll add the popcorn at the bottom, which will make it so fun for some yummy popcorn.
Here is our final spiraled arch with the yellow and white balloons. The quads are twisted to create this pretty spiral.
So now we're using still some of the same quads of the 2 yellow and 2 white that we used for the arch to kind of fill in, but we're also using 6 5-inch balloons in a little bundle, and then this like little cluster with 2 11-inch balloons and 4 5-inch balloons, and we were just taking them and trying to make it look like popcorn is falling out. So just kind of grabbing either your arch base or onto another bundle and just tying those on. We have a little wind today. All right, so there's one. Kind of pop this one in wherever there's a hole. You just kind of fill in as you go. There's really no rhyme or reason, just kind of, make it look like popcorn. We just kind of want it to be spilling over the bucket. So here is our popcorn arch, nice and full down here, spilling over the bucket. You can do this any way, but again, we used 12-inch and 5-inch Bell Ball white and yellow at different sizes to be spilling over, and then a standard swirl up top, and then more balloons spilling out of the side.